Are you looking to start a new business? Here's your opportunity and you're at the right place. I am Ismail Hussain from the Sublimation Consultant Print Right Sri Lanka. We are going to show you how we are going to print We Are the Boys suit, which was trending in Big Boss Tamil. We are going to show you how we printed this t-shirt. For this you just need a normal t-shirt, a blank t-shirt like this, which we have in our store, and just a normal heat transfer paper which you can use in a small inkjet printer for home use inkjet printer. This heat transfer paper we also have, so you can come and visit our showroom and can buy this as well. So we just need a small scissor to cut this around, and now you can see how we are going to print this t-shirt. As viewers, you can see this is the t-shirt we printed. You can see a good finish on it, and this is a European paper which can be washed 70 times. Hope you enjoyed the video, and do subscribe us at the Sublimation Consultant powered by Print Right Sri Lanka. See you soon with the next video. Thank you.